Let's get right into today's stock market update. We're going to take a look at the indices as well as an ETF and some individual stocks that have hit all-time highs. So today, November 25th, 2024, both the S&P and Dow Jones have hit all-time highs again. And this comes right after Scott Bessent, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, a hedge fund manager, has been nominated by former President Donald Trump to be our next Treasury Secretary. The markets are reacting positively, and investors believe that his appointment could lead to stability during these times of economic uncertainty. So the optimism in the stock market reflects the belief that he could continue to impact favorable conditions for corporate earnings and investor confidence, particularly while we are still facing high interest rates and global trade concerns. So I'm going to touch on that a little more deeply. What are global trade issues? These include tariffs, taxes on imports and exports, trade wars, when countries impose tariffs on each other's goods, and supply chain disruptions, delays and shortages in transporting goods. So these type of tensions can slow down economic growth and make markets unpredictable. And I just wanted to dive into that a little bit more deeply because as I give some updates on some other companies, you're going to see how these type of things are going to impact us in our regular everyday lives. So let's hope that this appointment will actually benefit us in the way that our president-elect hopes in his choice of this new appointment. So Wall Street is optimistic about this appointment. Investors believe that this will bring clear economic strategies that could support business growth and strengthen market confidence. This optimism is important because while we're still dealing with high interest rates, which make borrowing costs more expensive, and the global trade issues, this is causing disruption in the economy. So let's start to look at some of the indices, stocks that have hit all-time highs today. So here we have the Dow Jones, which hit a high today of $44,815.67. Looking at the S&P 500, it hit $6,020.75 today. Now let's move on to Tesla. As of the time that I'm recording, the stock price is $347.07. But earlier today, it hit $361.93. So Tesla stock has been on a roller coaster lately. When it comes to Tesla, analyst ratings are split between buy, hold, and sell. Some analyst ratings have been changed to sell, for example, UBS and Bernstein, while others like Wedbush and Bank of America have them rated a buy, with price targets as high as 400. So Tesla's latest product offerings, including the more affordable long-range Model 3 and plans for their robotaxi service, has been facing delays. But some analysts are still very optimistic, like Morgan Stanley, who sees the growth in Tesla's energy storage business, as well as anticipating significant demands to AI-driven energy needs. As we touched on earlier, another issue that is facing Tesla is European tariffs on China-made EVs, which led to price adjustments for Tesla. Next up, let's take a look at Palantir. They also hit a high of $67.88 today. And this record is because investors are feeling optimistic about its future. Positive outlook from analysts increasing their price targets, and the company is preparing to join the NASDAQ 100. Retail investors are particularly excited about Palantir's potential in AI and its strong government partnerships, which could drive even more growth. So all of these factors are demonstrating the increasing market confidence in the potential profitability of this company, which year to date is up 289.72%, and over the last month up 44.07%. Walmart, another one that hit all-time highs, but as of the time that I'm recording, the price is $89.26. But earlier today, they hit a high of $90.95. They just had their earnings about a week ago, and they posted their third quarter results, and they beat Wall Street's estimates across the board. Now, with Walmart, when it comes to those global trade issues, tariffs that we were talking about at the beginning of the video, Walmart's CFO explains that while they aim to keep prices stable, upcoming tariffs will likely force price increases for consumers. This reflects the company's effort to manage rising costs while balancing affordability for customers. We will see what the next quarter holds for Walmart. And as I said, hope that this new appointment and new administration that's coming in will help to ease these type of issues that could impact us, the regular everyday consumer. So year to date, Walmart is up 68.15%, on the month up 8.21%. Now on to Home Depot. They hit an all-time high today of $430.25. And their issue is not so much with the tariffs from what I saw in recent news, but the high interest rates. Home Depot has had a strong third quarter, surpassing revenue and earnings expectations. Sales have grown, and they are currently holding 28% market share when it comes to home improvement. While customers delay renovations due to those high interest rates, their CEO is hoping that the demand is still there and could drive future growth once those borrowing costs decline. Next up, JPMorgan Chase, that hit an all-time high today of $254.31. According to their managing director, they expect U.S. earnings to grow by 13% by 2024. This optimistic forecast is driven by strong economic conditions and corporate performance. However, these challenges that we've been talking about, fluctuating interest rates and those geopolitical tensions, could impact this growth. Okay, last up, let's take a look at SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, a favorite of investors that want that reliable income from dividends, offering a competitive dividend yield that is paid quarterly. It has a low expense ratio and focuses on dividend growth stocks that make it a steady performer. It recently had a stock split, bringing it down to this very affordable price, around $30 per share. And it is among these stocks and indices that have hit all-time highs or 52-week highs today. So President Trump has already been getting the ball rolling with getting people placed in different positions, as well as some that may just decide to step down on their own before he takes office. Let me know your thoughts on what is going on and how these things will impact the stock market going forward into 2025. If you're not already investing, don't let these all-time highs hold you back. Get started. Because what is going to happen in the future, there will be more all-time highs again on the indices and many of these blue chip stocks that have been thriving and will continue for years to come. So just a quick update. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment. Check out my referral links for Webull and Moomoo, as well as channel membership. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.